This is a Stinchfield Report Health Update with Grant Stinchfield.
Hi, everybody. The Texas Biomedical Device Center is finding cutting ways to treat neurological conditions. Dr. Robert Rennaker joins us. He is the department head there. Dr. Rennaker, tell me about some of the unique things that you're doing to treat these neurological conditions.
Thanks for having me. We are using the brain's natural ability to reorganize, the same properties that are engaged during learning and memory, to try to reorganize the brain following brain injury. So following a stroke or tinnitus or chronic pain, the brain has a tendency to reorganize on its own, and we're developing therapies and devices to help us undo that reorganization that's causing those disorders.
When you work on those patients, do you have to actually go into the brain to fix the problem?
We do not actually go into the brain. We access the brain via something called the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve is a nerve that's activated during stressful responses. So during a traumatic injury or a traumatic event, this nerve is activated. It releases neuromodulators in the brain that strengthen connections that are active at that point in time. So we're interfacing with that nerve to drive the same sort of response.
I know many people in the medical community are saying the Texas Biomedical Device Center is really doing some cutting-edge things. What is the ultimate goal for you and your group?
Right now, if you have a neurological condition and you go to your neurologist, there's not a lot they can do for you. They're going to give you medications to help treat the symptoms, but they're not going to treat the underlying cause. What we're doing is we are actually reorganizing the brain to treat the underlying cause and try to cure these disorders. Now, we're not going to be able to cure everything, but we've already shown great success with tinnitus and stroke in both animal models and in humans. And so our goal is to push this technology forward as fast as possible to treat things like PTSD, chronic pain, and phantom limb pain.
And I know you're located at UT Dallas. It is the Texas Biomedical Device Center. Dr. Robert Rennaker, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
I'm Grant Stinchfield. This is the Stinchfield Report Health Update.